We should all go.
My book, give me that. My book. I read it all.
That's my book.
No, I'm the one who made this. I'm the one that made it.
Alright,
Alright, let's go.
Free bed.
It's like impossible to open them. Oh, okay. I thought everyone was like just gonna stay up there. Never mind. Okay.
why is all the dampers open?
I opened all of them.
Some of them are opening and closing.
Yeah, that's just how the game is.
Don't do
because the
that.
game has terrible animations.
Are you sure?
What?
Thinking animations
Huh?
are. Sinking
Okay,
animations.
the syncing animations is good enough, but I'm saying like these animations with the streams, you have to like, you have to be like this, okay? Like it's so hard to do it sometimes to open and close them because
You have to crouch when you're
like
tall.
bug out. Yeah.
You have to crouch when you're tall. To like. There you go.
Yeah, that sucks.
Everyone walk. Workity, workity.
I'll be back.
Alright, let me just take a good night rest.
You have to like, this is what you have to
Ah, can't. You touch the steam valve.
Alright.
do. No,
Come on!
Okay, I'll let.
Come on, we gotta shove coal!
Alright, y'all. Y'all, it's time to shovel some coal. Who does
Give me
not
that
have a
shovel.
shovel?
Give me that shovel. I don't have a shovel.
Don't worry. Get shoveling.
Oh, never mind, I have one. Oh. Okay, never mind. I'll
It's
take
right
this.
here, dude. Get shoveling.
I got
Oh
one.
yeah, you can use that one. Get shoveling.
Alright.
Hey guys, I'm stuck.
I'll put the extra here.
My controller's dead.
Put it.
I can't move.
Oh, well, good luck if we hit an iceberg.
Womp womp. Huh?
Iceberg is crazy.
Huh?
But we should play Titanic Legacy soon. I don't know, just gonna
I have to eat soon, so I don't think we can. Or you guys can play. Oh my god, the animations are so weird.
game. The animations are so weird.
Guys, we should all take a nap and...
By the way, you could
Can
burn coal.
we should all take a nap.
With the door closed?
Probably for 23 hours.
Yeah.
I'll hit you with this fire shovel.
So guys, I heard that the Titanic is going so. Oh!
It's time for night time. It's time for...
Yo,
we
put your
actually
shovel.
had all the dampers. We actually.
Ah!
Everyone go into
No!
Not anymore.
The boilers are flooding. The steam is burning.
You don't. You have to like triple click it.
We're all gonna take a nap because we're bored. And we're tired of our misery.
Wait, get. Wait. But you have the bubble and stuff.
Alright.
Alright,
Can you even sleep over here?
I'm back.
Alright, good night everybody. Good night.
We bugged the animation.
Y'all can have a rest.
What do you mean you bugged the animation?
Wait, there's no way.
Like we're talking about this door. Like we bugged it where it was.
Hey,
Hey, open the door! Open! Oh! Hey guys, I'm gonna read you a bedtime story. I'm gonna read you a bedtime story. So,
Saint. It's called Saint, chat.
Guys, everyone come in here and sleep. I'm gonna read you a bedtime story.
Wait.
Huh? Over here. Over here. Get in the bed quarters.
I'm not 10.
Yo. Oh my. Yeah, have a good night's sleep. Have a good night's sleep, guys. Over here in the hallway. Over here. Oh, and he dropped. Oh my god. Alright, we're all here, right? We're all here.
We're the only two that really won't survive.
Well,
Come on.
ah! I'm going up.
Who got the screwdriver?
I think I have it.
I see the outside.
Please unscrew it quick. Water's flooding like fast.
Oh
I
my.
pushed myself too far.
Nobody has
Wait, no, I didn't.
we have to
Water.
No, you dropped.
Hello. I came here from a flying incident.
No.
Where'd you get that?
What?
Like a few minutes.
Oh, you were.
What are
Wait,
we
you
okay?
just-
Why am I tiny? Why am I so tiny?
I want
I'm not
this
even-
for Christmas.
I'm not even like standing up right now.
I'm short.
Ah!
I'm so short.
Oh my god, the water's rising over here.
Oh.
Should we try again, but we all
I mean,
sleep?
hey, buddy, I just got on. Part is just yeah.
You're too short that you can drown. We're back! Yeah! Oh, that was like a slide.
Bye.
Let's all sleep. I got a hi-hat.
It's the same thing. It's the wrong one.
Hi-hat.
I dare you to press that. There's a little mic right there. It takes you to the board. The engine room. That's it.
I don't want to touch that. Actually, oh, glad you got a message. Oh, the ship at sea.
Oh.
Did you just get that?
The ship at sea. Oh, that's his new game. That's his newest game.
Oh, so that's
I'm making him the smallest skin ever that I can make on screen mode. It's small. Very small.
guys.
Like, look how small I am all the way. I'm very small.
So small.
I can barely.
Open the door.
I'm just small.
Hey guys, how you doing down there?
Get down here.
Yeah, we should play Titanic Legacy. Or like something like that.
That's a great idea.
Let's play the
Yeah,
engine
no,
room
we
first.
could also
Let's play the engine room.
we could also play Titanic's Fallen Year. That's it. Although it literally has like absolute 0 sounds.
Let's see who can get the coal much faster.
We should do Titanic Legacy.
I'm going to the engine room. Who wants to go to the engine room?
Yes. Yes.
Who wants to go to the engine room with me?
Yo, AR, what's my name again?
That's crazy.
You
Titanic.
already
All right, everyone join him.